Hello everyone, this is Reena Chug, and today I'm gonna talk about a topic which is how the plant grows, and this would be of fifth chapter, and this is going to be a demonstration class basically. So let's get started. Hello kids, how are you all doing today? Good morning. Yes. So, what are we going to learn today? Any idea? Alright. Okay, answer my question. So, kids, how many of you like fruits? Yes? Fruits. Mango, apple, banana, cherries, grapes, all these things. Do you love fruits? Yeah, even I love fruits. And one question I have in my mind. Where do you get these fruits from? You get these fruits from trees. Yes. And how about vegetables? Like lady's finger, potato, tomatoes, all these things, all the vegetables. From where do you get all these things? From the plants. Yes. So these small plants grow up into big trees, and you get all these very nice things to eat, yummy things, right? And kids, any idea how are the plants grown? Any idea? No idea? Okay, no problem. So today I'm gonna tell you a story. Are you excited? Yes. It's a story about a small boy, a cute little boy like you. So, once upon a time, the small boy was sitting under a tree and eating an apple. So look at this. Here is the boy who is sitting under a tree and eating an apple, right? Yes. So, kids, did you ever notice some seeds in the apple while eating? Yes, right? So, this small little boy, after eating the apple, he threw those small little seeds in the soil under the plant. Look at this. See, these are the seeds of the apple. Yes. So what did he do? He threw the seeds in the soil after eating, and then he left back home. So after he left, there was, a strong rain which has come. Yes, something like this. Look at this. There's rain which has come over there. There was a rainfall. After it stopped raining, everything got calmed down, and there was a beautiful sunrise. Yes, and the sunlight fell on those cute little seeds. And look at the sunrise. Wow, it's amazing, right? The sunlight fell on the small little seeds which the boy threw the other day. Okay, so the sunlight fell on the seeds, and the seed became a small embryo, and the seed grew into a small embryo, that is a small cute baby, something like this. Look at this. It's a small cute baby. It's called embryo. This cute little embryo started growing like this. It started growing like a plant. Look at this. Slowly it started growing. Then it turned into a small little plant, a cute little baby plant. Look at this. Yes, something like how you grow big. You are like a baby, and then you just grow so big, right? Yes or no? Yes. So how do you grow big? By eating food and drinking water. Yes, so in the same way the plants grow by drinking water and taking the sunlight from the sun. Yes, they take sunlight from the sun, and what do? They inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, and oxygen is very good for our health, and we breathe oxygen, right? Oxygen makes the environment very beautiful and healthy. So that is why you have to grow plants at your home and all around. So now this plant started growing into a big tree. Yes, so small little plant has grown big like this, a big tree, an apple tree. Can you see the apples over there on the tree? Oh my god, yes. This is because a small cute little boy was having apple the other day, and he threw the seeds in the soil, and because of the rain the seeds got germinated. Yes, germinated in the sense the seeds became like a small baby embryo, and that small embryo started growing big like a plant, and then it became a big apple tree. So in the same way, if you put the seeds accordingly, like orange seeds, you get an orange tree. Grape seeds, you get a grape tree. So it depends what you're planting. Yes. Kids, do you know that planting trees is like very interesting? Yes. So shall we do this weekend at home? Shall we all do this? Yes. Yes. So it's very simple. All you need to do is take a pot and fill it up with soil like this, because plants need soil to grow. Yes. And after that, what would you do? You would put the seeds. Yes, you would put the seeds in the soil like this. So you can use any seeds. You can check with your mama and take few seeds, something like pumpkin seeds. You can take mustard seeds, anything. Take those seeds and put it in the soil, and after putting it in the soil, what would you do? What is the next step I said? You will have to water it. Look at this. After putting the seeds in the soil, you have to water the soil. That's very important. After watering, what would you do? I said sunlight is very important. Then your plant would start getting sunlight. Make sure that you are putting your plant somewhere near the sunlight. Okay? And once it gets the sunlight, it would start growing into a plant like this in a pot, because as we are using a pot for planting, it grows something like this at home. Yes? So isn't it very interesting? So we'll all do this task at home this weekend. Alright, we'll take a pot, we'll fill it up with soil, and we'll water it up, and we'll put it in the sunlight, and once it grows this big, so we all will get those plants here in the classroom. Okay, that would be even more interesting. Yes, we will get those plants here in the classroom, and we will put it somewhere near the window, so that the plants would get what? Sunlight and air. Yes, and we'll make sure that we all will water them up regularly. Okay, so kids, I have something for you here. Ta-da! Look at this. This is a plant. Yes, and I will tell you the parts of it. Alright, so look at these are roots. Yeah, so they are very helpful in absorbing the water what you give them. When you pour water in the soil, these roots would absorb the water and then they move the water here in this stem. Yes, the water goes up like this and then the water gets supplied to all these leaves, and if the plant has fruits, vegetables or flowers, the water is supplied to all the parts. Yes, and this long straw like a thing, what is that called? This is stem. Correct. This the long straw like a thing is called stem, and these are roots. Now this, you know this very well. These are leaves of the plant. Leaves. Yes, very good. And I don't have a flower in my plant. That's okay. Few plants would have flowers and few doesn't have. So those are flowering plants. Okay, so you can plant anything as per your interest and requirements. Okay, yes, and as I said, this plant would take sunlight. Okay, and this would breathe carbon dioxide and exhale what? Oxygen. This would inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, and oxygen is really good for us, right? So kids, as now I have explained you the parts of the plant, okay, so I'm gonna give you this worksheet now, and I want you to name the parts of it. All right, shall we write the names over here? Shall we memorize it once again? What is this? This is a flower. And what is this? This is a leaf. This one, the long one, stem. And how about this? Roots, right? Shall we all write it? Okay. And I have got one more worksheet for you. This is the one. And now you know how the plant grows, right? And what is the procedure? Here I have few pictures which are jumbled here and there, shuffled. Okay, so now what is our task? To segregate everything in a pattern, one after other. Yes, so we'll write the numbers which comes first. So first of all, what are we going to do? I said we are going to take a pot with soil. Yes, the second one, yes, we are going to put the seeds in the soil. And the third one, what are we going to do? We are going to water it up. After that, what is important? I said it would take sunlight. So you would just need to leave it to take sunlight. After that, you would see a little baby plant coming up. Oh, yes, so sweet. And this little baby plant would grow up like this, like a tree or plant, and see, it has got a flower too. Wow, it's so beautiful. So at this stage, I want you to get your plant here in the classroom, and we will put it in the classroom and take care of those plants. Okay? Yes. And kids, as it's very important for you to eat food, drink water, and eat all good things to grow up. So in the same way, it's very important for the plants to have water, drink water, and take the sunlight, yes, and produce food by themselves. So kids, it's really important for us to grow up plants in the society and make our society healthy, clean and green. So you are going home today and explaining everything what we discussed in the class with your mama and papa. Yes, and you are going to follow this procedure what I have explained you, and try to grow a plant at home. If you need some help, you can take help from your parents always. Yes. So kids, Hope you all enjoyed the class today and see you on Monday. Alright, have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.